What up, dudes? I'm gonna try to make a little video for you guys. This will be an update, kind of like the ones that I post on my blog, but this will be a video, so hopefully it's more fun to watch. Right now I got a 4-hour chart of the cable, and this is where we go to find our trend. And I'm just going to show you how I do it every day, and it's really easy. If you look over here, the last trend change candle that I had is right here, and that was around 4 o'clock Eastern time yesterday. And let me just go back here so you can see that we had a crossover, stochastics trending down, RSI is below 50, so that was a valid trend change candle, and so our trend is now down, and from then on we are only looking for shorts. So you can see that from then on we had no other crossovers, so the trend stayed down the entire day. Okay, now let's go take a look at our 15-minute charts. Alright, so now I've zoomed in on a 15-minute chart on the cable, and what I've done is I've moved back the time to about midnight Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget, it is Eastern Standard Time now because we've pushed forward an hour, so it's GMT -4, not -5. So make sure you got your time straight. Remember, our trend is down, so we're only looking for short trades. And the first thing we're going to do is take a look at our news for the day. Want to make sure that we got our news ready so that we don't enter trades too close to them. So I'm going to just pull up internet browser, and of course we got the baby pips calendar here, and we can see we're trading the sterling and dollar, so looking for news that relates to those two pairs. And you can see that right here at 8:30 we have the big one, which is the trade balance from the dollar. So 8:30 is the time that I kind of want to watch. So I'll go ahead and move back to my chart. So other than 8:30, we're all good, and we're only looking for short trades. And so I'll just move the charts forward, and here you can see these black candles. This indicates that we have a crossover to the upside, but we're only looking for short trades, so that doesn't even faze me, and I'm just going to keep going. Alright, here now we have a purple candle, which that indicates a cross to the downside, and we are looking for short trades, so that kind of gives me a wake-up call there, and I take a look at that. So now look at my indicators, and we got RSI below 50, good. I'll skip down here. MACD is positive and losing value, so that's good. But if you look at stochastics, you'll see that we are still trending up. The lines haven't crossed down, so this is an invalid signal because stochastics are still trending up. So we just move on. Alright, so I'll just keep going forward, and again another crossover to the upside. Don't worry about that. Here we have another crossover to the downside. Okay, so now let's take a look at our indicators. Bam, RSI down, good. Bam, stochastics trending down, good. And bam, MACD positive, losing value. And I sound like Emerald, but I'm cooking up some pips and not some food. So here we got a trade. I'm all excited. Now I enter at the close of the candle, or as close as possible to it. Depends on how fast your finger is. You'll get better with it with practice, so don't worry if you kind of off in the beginning. But I got in around the close at 2.0060. Our stop loss is the most recent swing high, which is right here, and we can see that that's 2.0090. Alright, and since our entry is at 60, our nearest 50 or 100 levels right here at 2.0050, but that's only about 10 pips, and then if you factor in the spread, you're looking at only maybe 7 pips of profit, that's chump change. I don't like to go for stuff that I can't get at least 10 pips after the spread with, so in this case I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what I'm risking on the trade and base my target off of that. So if the entry's at 60 and the stop loss is at 90, that's a 30 pip risk there. So what I'm going to do is just subtract 30 from my entry, which is 60. 60 minus 30 is 2.0030. I know it sounds fast, but Trust me, I'm no math genius. So there's our target, initial target right there. Okay? Now that we got in the trade, now we can just kind of watch it, monitor that the hard part's done. Okay, so we go forward. Okay, I'm feeling happy. Yes, going in my direction. Oh, not feeling so good. It's going the other way. Oh, darn, I just got stopped out. Now, before you throw your computers out the windows, you just want to remember that you can't win every trade, and I'm completely confident in the system, so even though I'm bummed at the moment, I'm still stoked because I know we're going to pull in some pips. And remember, we've only had one losing month, and that was last year. So I'm pretty confident, not feeling bad at all. And if we just move forward, I'm going to go ahead and, since we're out of the trade now, just going to take out these lines. Keep going forward. Alright, now we got some movement to the upside. Doesn't really affect us because we're looking for short trades. Nothing, nothing, nothing. And right now it's about 7:15, 7:30, 7:45, 8. So it's getting closer to the trade balance. So by this time, I'm probably not looking to get in short because it's right near the news report and I don't want to risk anything. Alright. And here is at the 8:30 candle, the trade balance comes out. You can see lots of volatility there. And this is a valid signal. Actually, it's not. We have RSI going down 450, good. Stochastics trending down, good. But if you look at MACD here, you can see that it was already negative on the candle before. You can see that there. Make it larger. And then if we go to the signal candle, it just goes lower, negative. So it was already negative. MACD was already negative. So this would not have been a valid signal either way, and the fact that it's a news candle, so no entry there. So I'll just keep going forward, and you'll see that this trade was profitable if it was a valid signal, but it wasn't, so we didn't enter on that one. And right now we're just kind of sitting in the wind. I'm probably done for the day. Let's see, it's about 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Don't think we're going to have another short signal anytime soon, so I'll probably just call it early day, grab some lunch, do the rest of my day. But so today was a bummer with 30 pips loss. Hopefully we'll grab something good, and I'll have a better video to show you guys. But I just want you to see what I see, and hopefully it'll help you with your trading, and that's the whole point of this blog. So don't be bummed, and we'll grab some pips eventually. So let's have a good day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.